side do you need?
Both sides. Like from, this is a 61 right here.
Yep. The problem is, I don't mind selling these, but they're going to be $500 a piece. So they're going to be expensive. I really don't want to sell them because I got some 61.
Look at the wheel lips on that too.
And that's what I'm saying. Look at these wheel lips. Around. If you wanted them, I'd say I could sell you the one, but they're going to be expensive. Because at a car we can look around, I don't think we got much one. That one's no good. I forgot about these blue ones. Those are the ones I got at the swap meet here a while back.
Yeah, those ones are pretty good.
Yeah.
Too bad this one's already gone.
I know, that's exactly what we needed it for.
Yeah, that's the part.
And we cut the wheel well out and everything.
Yep, that's always what you need. Fortunate.
Okay, well let's start with.
What do you need for the 64? Both sides on that too?
I need
Cut the bottom of this one.
Yeah, that's the whole problem. What he wants is what everybody needs.
I know, that's always the rotted out shit.
Yeah.
God damn it. Okay, let me stop this. Look at my camera here. Here, I got pictures of my 64.
This shit anymore. Mario down in Fresno used to keep, but he's not. He got into trucks. He gave up with Impalas. They got too pricey even to buy parts cars anymore. And now, like Corey was saying, the parts cars are actually people are building them.
Yeah, people putting them back together, resurrecting them, shall we say?
Yeah, that's what I say.
Okay, so on 61, no good luck on that part. No.
Well, they got those two back there, which I'd sell, but I really don't want to sell them. But $500 a piece, they can go bye-bye.
Let's revisit those real quick.
All right.
Let's see, they are around this way.
Oh, here, follow me.
Okay.
Many different ways to get through the labyrinth around here.
Okay.
Got your history out.
Of never-ending doors.
Yeah. We just kept adding on buildings and stuff. Calaveras County, we can do pretty much anything we want.
All right, and we're back again.
Yeah, you got your body mount, you got part of the floorboard, you got both dog legs, partial rocker.
Okay, so this is the passenger. So that's that. Let me look through my pictures and find out.
In here. That's exactly what we did. We just cut it real nice and clean right here, and we just put it in as much as we can.
Oh, okay. So today where am I at today, young man?
The Impala Palace.
And where are you located at?
Valley Springs, California.
Hey, what parts do you specialize in?
Impalas, what do you think?
That's why they call it Impala Palaces. And you do restorations, am I correct?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Hey guys, I've been out here. Pleasure meeting this young man on the quest to put together my cars. When I say cars with an S, because I have several, and it's just an ongoing journey, and it continues on. So I'm just letting you guys see what I see. We got a quarter panel patch for our 61. The stamp ones were not even close. My body guy looked at it and said, I don't want that. See if you can get the originals, because it's going to be too much effort to use what you got. So I try to make people's lives easier. So this is where we're at
Impala Palace.
Hey, is there a number person can get to you after you are? You said to me I should have called, but I didn't call. I just got my vehicle on roll. What's the number? You said to give you a call before I came. I didn't know.
It's always better because, like yesterday, I was on the road the whole day.
So that's why you didn't pick up when I called. Exactly.
It's always best to call first.
Okay, and then
always
you can.
Hustling. I got to go to the sandblaster. Got to go to the powder coater. Go to the chrome shop. I'm always running around.
Oh.
Right now, I got a buddy of mine that we sent him down to LA because we got to get a bunch of parts polished, bright dip anodized. Bright dip anodized in LA.
Okay.
A lot of guys are chrome and aluminum, and the problem is it just doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
Cracking and peeling off.
That's no good. You hear that? You heard it from the man here. Chrome and aluminum is gonna be a temporary.
No, you're seeing all the stuff in there.
Yeah, I saw stuff. The bright anodized he showed me looks brand new.
Cool,
so,
man.
all right. Thank you much for your time.
All right.
All right.
Drive safe. The 62 bodies and build those 62 Bel Air bubble tops.
Yeah, because mine is rutted right at the bottom, is where it's rotted at, and so I guess Miguel will blend some metal in there.
Fix them.
Yeah, because on that one it gets real skinny. Yeah, right there at the very end.
Same thing. This is these top. I don't have any more. This is the last top I had. The problem is I don't have any more bodies. That's why I say this body here was halfway decent. That's why we decided to graft the tops on. And the 62 Bel Air bubble tops with the 409s and stuff, everybody still wants them. So.
Okay.
But you can see I got projects for days.
I see. What are you building here? I see you guys cutting wood. A new office building or what we got going here?
1850s ghost town, you know?
We don't know.
Shit, you're gonna build your own personal ghost town as your entrance when you come
We're
in?
in gold country, so you gotta go with the whole gold theme, you know?
Okay, I see that, yeah.
Barn, the tower, blacksmith, the gold assayer's office. Then you gotta have the hotel, bar, / whorehouse going.
We call that the Palace Hotel.
You guys got too much free time on your hands, man. And free wood, looks like.
No, I rounds up a lot of this wood at garage sales, and I use a lot of fence boards because they get all old and decrepit looking, and that's exactly what I'm looking for.
Yeah, you look for nice distressed wood to give you that look you're going for.
Yep.
Okay, I see what you got here. All right. Well,
Well, nice meeting you.
no problem. Oh, question. On the disc brake cars, when you want to add disc brakes, you can't run what?
The stock wheels, you got to put this. Now somebody says somebody's making a disc brake wheel with the bumps. You need the bump wheels on 61s.
What do you mean bump wheels?
They got 4 little bumps.
Is this one of those wheels right here? Okay.
The bump wheels came out in 50. Well, they came out in 56. You can't use those.
Somebody's getting smart, Brad. How do you like this?
What's that?
They got the welding helmet feature.
Got a light on it?
Flip out light on the side.
Ah, there you go. I can have to drive it around.
That's pretty funny.
Is there any bump wheels around here, Corey?
Probably on one of these 59.
I don't think Roger had any on his.
I know Ducky's rears aren't for sure. I don't know if he has any either.
He wants to see what the bump wheels look like.
Cause I have some different ones that are they're deeper. They go further in on the inner lip, and I was like, okay,
Yeah,
maybe.
come on down here. It's really important to get these bump wheels because the hubcap won't stay on. 61 was the last year they used them. Okay, there might be one on this car. Nope. It's getting really hard to come by, but somebody was saying that somebody's making them now for the disc brake wheels. Okay. They got a little deep disc and they got 4 bumps.
Oh.
That's what holds the hubcap on.
Okay.
That's why
Okay.
they call them the bump wheels.
All right.
But they don't have that extra lip in there.
Okay.
Like a lot of the wheels have.
So you could.
It has this lip, so.
So you couldn't just use the one off of a 64 under that car with aftermarket disc brake? Wouldn't?
No.
Nope, not gonna
You're
work?
have to have a disc brake wheel.
Okay.
And most people like running the 6s or 7s, but they're getting harder. But yeah, they sell them as aftermarket. But somebody was telling me that somebody's making the bump wheels now for disc brakes.
Okay, bump
I
wheel
don't
for
know.
disc brakes. Okay.
I don't know. We've been pretty fortunate. Most of these guys around here, we never get that far. We just build the cars, get them all rust free, and then,
And people take them to the next episode and finish it on their own. Okay.
yeah, exactly.
But
Our part is getting all the rust fixed. You know, we got to get all the door gaps nice, and this had new floors. This had front floors. This had all new floors. This had new rockers. This car was pretty rough. Yeah, that's the only thing that was out there.
So to put, when you brace the frame, basically this right here will lock you in so the dimensions don't change?
Well, yeah.
Or you need
because
more?
the bodies are coming on and off the frame. So those get cut out at the very end if the car's painted.
Okay. Yeah,
But
because...
we get all the gaps nice and everything. Another little trick we do is you put 10 pounds of weight in the door, and we put the weather stripping on when we're doing all the metal work and stuff to make sure all the gaps are going to be perfect. The 10 pounds of weight takes care of all the door glass and the door panels and armrests and all that stuff.
So you're simulating it all being there.
And then once we get everything fit, we took the rubbers off of this. Then we weld these on before we take the bodies off the frame.
Yeah, because I was cutting my 61. It was off the frame on my my lift, and I cut it with the Sawzall because I saw a YouTube video, and I didn't realize in the YouTube video it was a Impala. With the whole back half was here. And as soon as I cut this from here to here, the door started working weird. I was like, I thought about it. I got nothing here already fucked up.
Well, see,
I said, it's switched up.
Same thing on this car right here.
Yeah.
Right now we're okay, but when we start welding it together, we'll put the door weather stripping on and we'll put the door gaps all nice, and then we put a temporary brace across, and we have to, these are the convertible pieces we have to craft in. We already did the wheel wells. Wheel wells are different because they got a cutout for the convertible
Yeah.
when the top comes down.
That's what yeah, Miguel was saying. Yeah, you can buy the whole floor pan for the back, but I'm gonna have to cut those wheel wells in half because convertible tops are different.
Yep.
I said, okay.
That's it.
So I don't know, now I know.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you very much for your
Once you
time.
find out about this stuff, you'll probably tell yourself, maybe I should have bought a better car.
It's getting to that point, but I have 4 of them now.
Too late now.
It's too late. I'm in there.
Yeah, you're in there.
Either I quit now or I continue forward.
Just
I'm keep on plugging ahead at it.
keep plugging away. Hit the swap meets.
Oh yeah.
Swap meets are pretty good. The Turlock one in January is a good one.
Uh-huh.
I'm all over for that one.
Hey, have you ever been to the swap meet out in, out by Portland? I heard that was a pretty big one.
It used to be,
Used to be.
but they got all the crazies up there, fucking Antifa fucking fucks that have just destroyed the fucking town. Nobody wants to go anymore.
Ooh.
Plus, it all changed. There's so many people don't even go to the swap meets anymore because they just sit at home and play on the computers.
Yeah.
But I'm one of these guys. I want to touch it and feel it.
Yeah, I want to see it. I don't want to buy it sight unseen. Yeah. I'd rather see it, touch it, feel it.
I
Okay,
used to
that's
go to
it.
the Portland one all the time. I got a lot of good shit up there, but
Uh-huh.
I haven't been the last 3 or 4 years because all that fucking Antifa shit and all the crazies. I just said it ain't even worth going up there. I don't feel like getting my shit vandalized, and then those people take over the roads and
Yeah.
trash cars. And I'm
We-
afraid
so
I
we'll-
have to get
Yeah, I have to do some.
violent.
Yeah, I have to get some medieval shit going on.
Yeah, I got to run somebody over or shoot somebody.
Yeah. All right, you guys have a good one. Appreciate your time. All right. Well, as you see, gotta go. Well, as you saw, I'm just making it happen. My man's got a fair amount of car parts over here. And hey, it is what it is. The search continues. Gotta go.